Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something new. This is Microtech Signature Series, and right here this Ultratech Bounty Hunter Apocalyptic Standard Finish. So here's the box. Let's first unboxing for me. This is registration card, information, inspection. They have the inspection thing. Let's move all of it out of the way. As you can see, the finish on the knife itself, it's all used up like the bounty hunter from Star Wars, Boba Fett. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's my dog playing. And as you can see right here, there's a Boba Fett sign. There's a serial number. Everything's kind of worn out. And of course, this is a bounty hunter, so has to have that bounty hunter feel and look. As you can see, the blade is a tanto blade. And here's the handle. Mind the noise, I'm sorry. Here's the handle itself. It looks really worn. Feels really nice in the hand. Deploys really nicely. Has a really cool finish, and I'll compare it right here to the Stormtrooper Ultratech. So as you can see, same blade size, same everything. The size wise, but besides that, different styles of knife. Let's put this away and a little bit go into details of the knife. But look at that, it looks like it's been in a battle itself. You found it on the street or something. It looks all used up, but it's really nice. Sorry guys, this is an unboxing video. Sorry about my dog playing in the background, but that's my knife.